Hey, family and friends there at Shrewsbury First Assembly. Evangelist Jermel Mayo here. I cannot wait to be with you all Sunday, June 7th at 10 a.m. for your Sunday morning service. I'll be live in your building, recording from there. But man, I am believing that God's going to touch hearts and lives. Want to encourage you, invite as many friends and family you can, and invite them to watch online as we believe that God's going to heal, set free, and bring salvation to hearts and homes. So you don't want to miss it. Again, Sunday, June 7th at 10 a.m. It's going to be an awesome time. Let's believe that God is going to move by His Spirit to encourage you in His Word. God bless you, and I cannot wait to minister God's Word to you. God bless you.